Welcome to Educo Learning Center's video on how to get started. Learn to access interactive tutorials, instructional videos, practice quizzes, tests, and reports. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to www.educolearningcenter.com. Enter your user ID and password on the home page. After logging in, proceed to click on View, which is located next to the course on your dashboard. 1. Select a chapter. 2. The sections are listed within the chosen chapter. 3. Study with interactive tutorials. Watch video lessons. And work through examples on the topics covered in the section. 4. Once you've studied the tutorials, it's recommended to practice math problems related to the chosen topic. 5. Click on Print to download and print practice sheets. 6. Once you've practiced math problems, it's always a good idea to take a quiz or a test to see how much you've learned. 7. Review your quiz or test results and revisit tutorials and practice for improved performance if necessary. 8. By viewing the analysis and reports available, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of your performance in both standards and math skills. This will enable you to track your progress and identify areas needing additional support or practice.